Hi, welcome to Missologist Cider Reviews. Today we are trying Reverend Nat's Flashbang Cherry, which is cider and cold brew coffee. So it's very intriguing to me because I've never seen that before, and I'm curious as to how it tastes. It's 5% ABV. Looks like it was created for a tent show, which I know that he does occasionally.
Its timer's about to go off.
Oh, no worries. Yeah, so this is from his tent show, which he does occasionally. He creates like special ciders for it. It sounds super interesting because it has apple juice, cherry juice, coffee, yeast, spices, and ghost chili pepper extract. So it might actually be spicy, which is probably why it's called Flashbang Cherry. Looks like it's cold brew coffee blended with his Sacrilege Sour Cherry, which is one of my favorite of his normal ciders, and a hint of chili. So yeah, we'll see how it is. Reverend Nat is one of my favorite cider makers in Portland. He has just fabulous ciders. I've never had anything bad ever, but I saw that there was this new kind, and I was intrigued by it. But I've been putting it off because I didn't want to stay awake all night because of the coffee. But today I'm actually kind of sleepy, so I think it'll be kind of nice to have the coffee. So, okay, let's give this a try. Let me see. Oh, okay, yeah, it smells very much like the coffee, and I did actually pick up some of the chili in that sniff, and so a little nervous because ghost peppers are pretty hot, but we'll see. Oh, it's a really pretty color. It looks obviously like cherry cider, but you can tell that it's a little darker, so from the coffee. So yeah, I'm really picking up the coffee the most, I would say. Not really smelling the Sacrilege Sour Cherry, and I know what that smells like because I drink it all the time. So let's see. Okay. Oh wow, interesting. Yeah, it's basically, it's really hard to describe. It's like drinking coffee cider. I wouldn't really say you're tasting the cherry cider, which is kind of a shame because I love that cherry cider so much. You're really just tasting coffee. Maybe a slight hint of spiciness at the end there, but it's really not as obvious, and as I was afraid it would be, so that's actually good, because yeah, I wasn't really in the mood for having my gums be on fire. But that being said, I am a little disappointed that I can't taste the Sacrilege Sour Cherry very much, because again, that cider, the Sacrilege Sour Cherry, is so good. But, you know what, that's okay, because it is a very interesting concept, mixing cider with coffee. Yeah, so overall, I would not say this is, like, terrible or anything. It's actually pretty good. But I would say drink this if you're in the mood for coffee, not necessarily if you're in the mood for cider. And, yeah, we have tons of amazing Reverend Nat ciders to review, because there were a bunch of new ones this last quarter, what have you. So I actually have a whole lot of interesting ones coming up, which I'm super excited about. But today we did this one, and yeah, so hopefully that was helpful. Please check out Reverend Nat. He has a website. They deliver like all over the US now, and his ciders are really, really good. and he gives like a ton of money away to charities and all kinds of stuff. He's a good person. So, okay, anyway, cheers.